The Joint Replacement Program at St. Francis delivers unparalleled care at every stage.
In 2007, we started our Center for Joint Replacement here at St. Francis with the goal of faster recovery, better patient outcomes, better patient experience, helping them through the whole process of having a hip or knee replacement. Because it's not just the surgery, it's your whole experience. How fast you get back to your activities, your range of motion, whether you have any sort of complication, whether you need to have a blood transfusion, if you have to come back to the hospital, which we call a readmission. All those things at our program are some of the highest in the nation. Anytime we find anything that we can do that can actually improve an outcome or make things better, we incorporate it and make sure that the patient has the best experience possible and gets the best outcomes.
St. Francis Healthcare, called to serve you.